हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लाइफ चेंजिंग थॉट्स बाय कौश। आज का टॉपिक मैं हमारी सारी वुमेंस को डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगी। आई वांट टू डेडिकेट दिस वीडियो टू ऑल दी होम मेकर्स क्वींस अक्रॉस दी होल वर्ल्ड। मैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोल सकती हाउस वाइफ्स के बारे में बिकॉज आई एम स्पीचलेस अबाउट देयर क्वालिटीज़ एंड ऑल, बट थोड़े से कुछ शब्द मैंने ट्राई किए हैं कि मैं उनके बारे में शायद बोल पाऊँ। सो आई थिंक आई शुड ट्राई नाउ। लेट्स स्टार्ट। वो मशीन नहीं, वो एक औरत है। वो मशीन नहीं, वो एक औरत है। पिता की सबसे बड़ी दौलत है। उसके आंसू प्यास का बहाना बना लेते हैं। उसके आंसू प्यास का बहाना बना लेते हैं। एक साल में हम 2-3 बार रिचार्ज करवा देते हैं। इतना कर कर ही हम खुद को एहसान बनाते हैं। इतना कर कर ही हम एहसान मानते हैं। क्या कभी सोचा है हम उस जान से कितना काम लेते हैं? क्या कभी सोचा है हम उस जान से कितना काम लेते हैं? Today, I want to dedicate this video to all the homemaker queens across the world, and it's a very important video to listen for all. Do you all know that what is the most underrated job? This is the housewife. Being a housewife is very tough. But I don't know that why the housewives and mothers and wives feel embarrassed or shameful to tell someone that they are housewives. Let's take an example. If someone will ask a housewife that what do you do? What job do you do? Then she will reply that I am just an housewife. I don't know that why they add just. It's nothing seems they should say that I am the homemaker queen because housewives doesn't actually know that what they are for their house. They are the queens of their houses. Being a housewife is the most toughest job ever. You all must be thinking that why I'm speaking again and again. It's the easiest job. No deadlines, no politics, no traveling, nothing. But it seems to be easy. It is very tough. If a housewife taken holiday, if she is sick, then she takes a sick leave that she said, I am not well, I am not able to do anything. Then see what will be the condition of the whole house. All family members will be unhappy. Being a housewife is very difficult to manage all the things, all the works of the house because she doesn't do work only the one sector. She do work for all the sectors in the house. Some persons like spices, but another like sweets. If she makes sweets for someone, then another one have the problem of diabetes. She is the only one who cook food, who make food according to the needs and wants of the different persons, of the different family members. And what she take in return? Only the happiness and the smile of the family. That's the greatest motivation for her. Sometimes for being a person, she do take challenges and many problems she face. She doesn't take any leave, any breaks and all. What happened when guests came to home, then sometimes food get over, a little bit food left for her, what she made very delicious and all. But she do all these things just for love, care and health for her family. Friends, did you all have said thank you to your mothers and wives? If not, then what are you waiting for? आप किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हैं? Just go and appreciate them and say sorry to them that what they have done for you, you have unnoticed those activities. Go fast. Respect the housewives. Being a housewife is the difficult job ever. आसानी से नहीं मिलती, बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है. So please respect and care and love your mothers and housewife. Thank you.